Gusto ko kasi yung validated talaga. Itong sa ibang lugar pumunta talang tatanong talaga ako. I go there and ask. I hope that we would have a brighter tomorrow, our children safe from being harmed. Itong mga kriminal, baski saan, mga Pandakan, mga Santa Ana, Tondo, the criminals have hijacked. They have taken over the public streets and public places. Ang ating mga anak, hindi na sila makapasyal. And every time nagsasakay ng bus, yung mga anak natin na hindi naman lahat mayaman eh. Papawis na yung kamay and they are under stress because hold up. We have to remove that fear. We have to remove that fear. Let us transfer that fear in the hearts of the criminals. Kaya kayong mga kriminal, huwag kayong magpasakay-sakay